Assignment Tutorial 2.06 Exit Ticket Styles of Proof. Here we have a statement and portions of the flowchart to prove our statement. Which reason should appear in the box labeled 1? So here's our given, here's our proof. Our very first set of information is that we want to get from what is given to substitution property of equality. So we're going to say that measure of angle BAD is equal to the measure of angle BAC plus the measure of angle CAD. We're going to say that this right here plus this right here is equal to this right here. We can do that because of angle addition postulate. So let's put that in our first box. There you go. A conjecture and a portion of the flowchart proof used to prove the conjecture are shown. Which statement best represents the information that should be in the box labeled 1? Let's see what box we have labeled 1. Oh, right here we have box label 1, and we're missing part of our statement. So we notice what we're given is placed here. And by segment congruence postulate, we can say that AB is equal to BC. That's the same thing as saying that it's congruent by the segment congruence postulate. Fill in the blank. Looks like we have 2 blanks here, so we want to use one of these 4 statements to fill in this blank for number 1 and this blank for number 2. We've already filled out what is given, and we've moved down our statement all the way to angle ABD and angle BC are supplementary angles. If angle ABD and angle DBC are supplementary, we can say that that's because of the linear pair postulate. Then the measure of angle ABD plus the measure of angle DBC equals 180 degrees. Ooh, 180 degrees is the definition of supplementary angles. Remember, if 2 angles add together and equal 180 degrees, they're considered supplementary angles. So you can go ahead and put that right there. Drag an answer to each box to complete this paragraph proof. Given angle ABC and angle CBD are complementary angles, and the measure of angle ABC is 25 degrees. Prove that the measure of angle CBD equals 65 degrees. Oh good, we have a box down here. It is given that angle ABC and angle CBD are, so let's find angle ABC and angle CBD. We notice that they are complementary angles. We'll go ahead and put that in the box. So the measure of angle ABC again here, plus the measure of CBD equals 90 degrees. Yes, this is true. We can prove that using the definition of complementary angles. because we know that complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. It is also given that the measure of angle ABC equals 25 degrees using the substitution property of equality. You have the measure of angle ABC as 25 degrees. Let me put that in there. Plus the measure of angle CBD as 90 degrees. Therefore, use the subtraction property of equality, and you prove that measure angle CBD equals 65 degrees. Drag an answer to each box to complete this paragraph proof. Triangle PQR with measure of angle P2x, so we'll say that this is PQR, this is 2x, measure of angle Q is 4x, and the measure of angle R is 6x. Prove that x equals 15. By the triangle sum theorem, we can say that P plus Q plus R equals 180 degrees. Therefore, measure P plus measure Q plus measure R equals 180 degrees using the substitution property. Two x plus 4x plus 6x equals 180 degrees. Simplifying the equation gets us 12x equals 180 degrees. Finally, using the division property of equality, we show that x does equal 15. If you have any questions about this assignment, please contact me via text or email.